Located in the heart of Patong Beach, Thailand, the Baycliff Residences offers stunning views and luxurious accommodations. Overlooking Patong Bay from a clifftop setting, this three-star hotel provides a serene retreat from the bustling beach scene below. Guests can enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi throughout their stay, as well as access to our rooftop swimming pool, where they can soak up the sun and take in breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and sea. Each spacious suite features a private balcony, fully equipped kitchen, and comfortable seating area, perfect for relaxing after a day exploring Phuket. Suites are also fitted with a 40-inch flat-screen TV and stylish bathrooms featuring a bathtub and separate rain shower. For those looking to stay active during their trip, the Baycliff Residences offers a modern fitness room, as well as a sauna and steam room for ultimate relaxation. Additional services include laundry, dry cleaning, and ironing facilities, ensuring that guests can pack light and enjoy their holiday without worrying about the little things. Conveniently located just 10 minutes walk from the beach and a short drive from local bars and restaurants, the Baycliff Residences offers the perfect blend of tranquility and accessibility. Free parking is available on site, making it easy to get around Patong Beach during your stay.